Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. And today what I'm gonna tell you is how do you actually white label a Highlevel. It was very confusing when I first did it, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it in this video. Now your Highlevel is gonna look like this. So at the top there you can see it says Highlevel in the URL, but my one you can see here, it says app.alamx.com and it has my own logo there and it's completely my software. So how do you make Highlevel software and brand it as your own company, as your own software that you can sell to other people? I'm going to show you that right now. So first thing you want to do is buy a domain. You could buy a domain from GoDaddy, Cloudflare. I only use those two, so choose one of those two and buy the domain. It's very simple. Just go on GoDaddy, type in the domain, put your credit card, and you'll get a domain. Once you've done that, once you've bought the domain, you want to go to DNS settings. So on Cloudflare, for example, my domain is right there. Then I press DNS. Now, once you've brought the domain, come back to Highlevel and go to your agency view. Agency view is the overview. So go to your agency view and you'll know you're in agency view if it doesn't say at the top return to agency view. If you're in a sub account, if you press that top rectangle, it will say return to agency. So once you're in the agency view, come down here to settings. Now in company, you'll see right here white label domain and API domain, and you got custom JavaScript. What that custom JavaScript does is it gives you your favicon URL. What that is, you may be thinking, what are you on about? Do you see? Okay, do you see at the top here in this tab that little image on the left of AlamX? That's your favicon URL. And you can want that because it looks professional. If you don't have it, it looks weird. Like every single company, every single website you go on has a favicon URL, has that little image there, and this custom code here will give you that favicon URL. If you want this custom code, email me or drop your email in the comments, and I'll email this to you. And the way, before I go into the domains, the way you would use the favicon URL is right here. You would copy and paste your image, the image that you want at the top, its URL, and paste it here into the custom JavaScript. Then press save. Then press update. The little hack I found how to get an image's URL in Highlevel is if you just quickly go into a sub account. Yeah, if you quickly go into let's quickly just go into any website. And then you just come here to the orange box, press the button, press image, and then you go to the right. And if you upload an image from your gallery, so you can press upload file, just get a file. Let's say it's this one, yeah. So that's there now. Now what you do, Highlevel, just copy and paste this little line of code here. Highlevel automatically creates, once you upload it, it automatically creates a URL. So copy that and you can paste it into that code in that little section. Okay, back to agency view, settings, company, down. So the white label domain, this is how you do your white label domain. You go to your DNS settings. So what you do, the domain provider, GoDaddy, for example, Cloudflare, what you do is you go to DNS, you go to records and you add a record. You want to add a CNAME record, so you can just type that CNAME. You want the target to be whitelabel.ludicrous.cloud, and you want the root name to be app. Off proxy, keep this 1 hour, and you want to save that. That's all you do. I've already got that done, so I'm not going to save it, but that's how you get your white label domain. And then once you do that, you come here and you type app.yourdomain.com and then save it at the bottom here, update company, you save it, and then you can go to the top here and type app.yourdomain.com and it should sign you into a login page. That's where your company's login page is, which is good. So once that's done, that's great. And for this little image at the top here, you want to upload a file here and make sure you get the dimensions right on Canva. And then API domain. This is another one. You want to go in your DNS settings, and I'll show you right now. So you want to come back, make another CNAME record. CNAME. This can just be called link, and then brand. Then you want to add brand.ludacris.cloud. Okay, keep it like that. Keep it like that. Save it, and then you come back here, and then you type a link dot your domain. That's it. Save it, and yeah, and then obviously you've got your favicon URL. You paste it there, and then you save everything. And then once you've done that, Highlevel is yours to play with. This is now your company. It has your domain to it, and you can now brand this as your company. No one will know this is Highlevel. Nowhere in the software will it say this is Highlevel at all. Custom built to you, your company, your branding, and you can resell this as many times as you like for $2.97 a month to as many companies as you like, and hopefully reach financial freedom for 10k a month. I'm going to move my camera to when I say this because you need to pause the video and see how crazy this is. Look at all the affiliate perks you get from joining my affiliate. Now what this does is that if you join my affiliate, you'll literally get all these perks. You'll be on calls with me. I'll tutor you on how to use this properly. I've been using this for over 2 years now. I know everything in and out. So if you want all those perks, and with the affiliate, if you're already with an affiliate, you can still join. And if you haven't got an affiliate, make sure you join mine, and because this is the best affiliate on the planet. It basically costs you nothing because the money you'd be giving to Highlevel, that gets portioned down to me. You don't give me anything directly. It gets portioned down. So I hope you like the video, and